Okay, well, I got a few boards stuck up on top here. Got some nails in them to hold them. Got a lot more. You can see a lot of openings there. But just remember, there's also going to be boards in between each one. So, yeah. But I wanted to get some of these old boards up there. And we got a few of them. And also, there's another little thing that I found, or a couple. Got some more windows. These, I figure, will be the ones that will go up here, there, and there. Because I think these will work pretty good. I've got one more down there, but it's a lot bigger than these. And then that one. And of course, we always had this one. These were under the house, so they were a little dirty. And then coming up here, I threw some mud on them, of course, with the four-wheeler. But they made it up here. Like I said, I got one bigger than that also. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Alrighty, I've got metal put on top. Kind of thinking, wasn't really paying attention, but I'm kind of thinking I've got a little bit of overlap right here. I may slide these up some, but I don't want to get on top until I have the other 2x4s, because I got to have 3 more 2x4s across, and I don't trust it to hold me up until I get those in. But the roof is on pretty much, so we can see what we got anyway. I can go up the hill a little bit here, I think. Yeah, you can see it's all on there. 2 different types of metal, but that's okay. And I got a bunch more screws to put in, but like I said, I think I'm going to move the ones in the front that way a little farther, so they overhang the front a little bit more. But other than that, that's it. So now when I want to work inside, it's at least dry. I know that's kind of unorganized, but it's holding. And I still haven't spent no more on it. I will when I buy the other 3 2x4s though, because I'm going to have to buy those new. But that's all right. It is getting ready to, of course, rain again. You can see the sky. So, I think we're going to call it a day. Be about it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.